ChatGPT is an amazing AI-powered language model that can answer all your queries and have a conversation with you. However, not everyone has access to ChatGPT in their country, and some may not want to share their phone number for privacy reasons. In this video, we will explore alternative ways to access ChatGPT if it's not available in your country, and without the need for your personal phone number. So, let's get started. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a state-of-the-art AI-powered chatbot that can perform a wide range of tasks, such as generating codes, writing essays and poems, and much more. However, given its widespread usefulness, many people have reported that ChatGPT is not available in their country due to regional restrictions implemented by OpenAI. You can check the official website of OpenAI to see the full list of countries where ChatGPT is available. If you reside in a country that is not listed, you may not be able to access ChatGPT. Still, with the right tools, you can get around ChatGPT's regional restrictions and get the most of what it has to offer. So let's discuss the alternatives if ChatGPT is not available in your country. 1. Use a VPN. Although using a VPN, virtual private network, has been a reliable way to bypass regional restrictions, accessing ChatGPT is now more challenging. Previously, users could access it through a server in a country where the chatbot was available. However, ChatGPT now requires a phone number. Some users have been able to make ChatGPT work good with VoIP software and reliable VPN, but if you can, we recommend using a reliable VPN along with a real phone number from a country where ChatGPT is available. Our top recommendation for a VPN is ExpressVPN, which is renowned for its fast speeds and extensive network of servers, making it a popular choice for streaming and other high bandwidth activities. Additionally, it offers added security features such as a kill switch and split tunneling. 2. Try using ChatGPT in private mode. Several users got around this problem by using a VPN and a private browsing mode, like Chrome's incognito mode. To accomplish this, you'll need to configure the VPN to use a server that is simulated in either United States or France, and you will need to sign in using a phone number that is from the same region. Use Chrome's private browsing mode or mode in another browser that works the same way to add an extra layer of security. 3. Contact the support team. If you reside in a country where ChatGPT is available but encounter a message stating that OpenAI services are not available in your region, we recommend contacting the OpenAI support team. They can assist in identifying the root cause and offering a solution. In the meantime, you can use a friend's OpenAI account to access ChatGPT. We encourage you to leave your feedback on your experience with ChatGPT and any other solutions that might have helped you bypass geo restrictions in the comments section below. Your input will be useful to others facing similar challenges and will contribute to the overall improvement of the community's knowledge on this issue. Now, moving on to our second topic. In order to use ChatGPT, a phone number is required for confirmation purposes. Still, some don't have a phone number from a country where ChatGPT is available. Others who do have valid phone numbers have been worried about security and have asked if they can use ChatGPT without giving out their personal phone numbers. The answer is yes. You can do that by getting a virtual phone or SMS number. A virtual phone number is a phone number that is not associated with a specific physical device. It is a service that enables you to make and receive phone calls and SMS messages through the use of an application that is either web-based or mobile-based. By using a virtual phone number to sign up for a ChatGPT account, a user can stay anonymous and avoid giving out any personal information. This method provides a means for users to protect their personal information from being shared with the platform. Although registering a ChatGPT account with a virtual phone number has its advantages, it's important to be aware of the potential risks involved. Some of these risks include: if the virtual number is hacked or leaked, it could allow unauthorized access to your ChatGPT account. Recovering a ChatGPT account that is associated with a virtual number may be difficult if the number is disabled or retracted, making it hard to verify your identity. Using a virtual number may make it challenging for ChatGPT to confirm account ownership. If ChatGPT identifies any suspicious activity during a security sweep or check, your account could be suspended. Now let's explore the steps for signing up to ChatGPT with a virtual phone number. Step 1. Create an account. The first step is to create an account. Visit the official website of OpenAI and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide your email address, username, and password. Once you have filled in the required details, click on the Create Account button. Step 2. Verify your email. After creating an email, you will receive an email from OpenAI with a verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address. Once your email address is verified, you can log into your account. Step 3. Buy a virtual phone number. After verifying an email, you'll be asked to enter your phone number and verify it. There are a number of websites that provide users with virtual phone numbers for a fee or at no cost. The following companies are among the most prominent virtual phone number providers: Google Voice, Online SIM, TextNow, Talkatone. You will need to sign up for an account with one of the service providers listed above in order to use a virtual phone number when you register for ChatGPT. After you have established an account, you will have the option of selecting a virtual phone number to attach to it. Then, you will need to provide the virtual phone number and confirm it in order to sign up for the ChatGPT service. After that, you are all set to use ChatGPT. That's all for today. Thank you for tuning in to our channel. We hope you found the information helpful and valuable. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next video.